Good morning, guys. Man, this has been such a crazy morning. I wish I could show you guys. Anyways, Dogecoin. You guys, I showed you how to manage a winning trade on Dogecoin. I also showed you guys how to manage a winning trade on Solana, excuse me. Guys, we actually just hit in here 60 for 60 wins on this channel. And that was actually for a market exit of Link for 7.24% and then moving the stop loss for a guaranteed win of 3.31%. We are not just in here taking like small little 3 to 4% profits. Like look at this one over here on VET. We locked in 12.04% profit on VET. The trade before that in here, I'll just show you guys a couple because it's kind of fun. XRP was a smaller one, so it was 3.05, and we're still working on that stop loss in there. DOT down here locked in 18.52% profit. It is insane. Just came out with this video down here for Dogecoin. So guys, 60 for 60 winning trades. I'll show you guys how to get over here and trade this because I know a lot of people are going to want to do this at the end of the video. What I want to talk about today is our live trade for ADA that I am personally in as well. The account was at 11,286. Let's refresh this. Hamsters are running. 286. We're probably up just a little bit more here. Maybe cross 300, maybe 9. Okay, sweet, awesome. $336 were up in this account. So 11,336. Okay, here's what I did over here. I called this out on October 3rd. We caught an entry here of $2.18. All right. We then ended up moving up here and I exited 25% in the profit on October 7th up here. And this is for a profit of right around, I think it was like 5%. Yeah, 5.42%. And now we're seeing a move back up. I love this. We are in this trade and this is heading into the profit. Now, I know a lot of you guys actually ended up getting picked up down here, because I told you guys on the previous ADA videos that you're going to get a better entry than me. So I don't know exactly how you guys are doing, but I'm currently in the profit and you guys are most likely about 3% in the profit right now. I'm only going to keep track of what I'm doing on here. You guys basically just add 3% to whatever I exit and you guys will do fantastic. Obviously, you'll make more money. Okay. Let's play this out here because I know I'm going to get questions about this today. The trend exhaustion is obviously at the top. The well money flow is obviously at the top. Okay, what's happened the last time we got up here? This is why you guys need these indicators. Get the price versus well money flow. Get the trend exhaustion. I'm upping the prices of these, so make sure you guys do snag them in the description. Get our trading view indicators. That's the link, 60% off. Okay, watch this. Top section, we see a drop in the market. We get up into the top section here, and what do we see? We see this move right here correlated to the nice drop, and then we tried to move up further, and we just could not do it, and we saw a massive drop back down in the market. This was also how we were able to call this drop here. You start seeing this high, and you see a lower high formation form on the money flow moving down while price is trying to move up. No, that's not going to keep going up, guys. This is showing us clearly that money is flowing out of the market if you're watching this green line here while price structure is moving up. This is going to be what's calling the drop, and that's exactly what happened here. Previous time before that, this was where we were able to call this drop in the market here, and we saw a massive bear market move back down. So this held true many times in the market. We're seeing these drops back down. We saw also, obviously, I just showed this to you guys over here. We saw this move over here. We saw this move back down. This is where I am expecting to see another move down. However, since we are not in profit that much, literally 1.56% on our first buy limit, I am going to be patient and I'm going to hold this. Now, Bitcoin took off. Like, this is like ridiculous. Like, look at this. This is what happened with Bitcoin. And here's what happened with ADA. Sideways, nothing. I'm very surprised this didn't head up further, but this could be like a ticking time bomb in the most beneficial and profitable way, where ADA is basically having this accumulation phase down here where a lot of people could be getting their money in, and we could just start shooting up here very fast. Now, the reason why I exited was because we were getting into the profit here, and we took nice profits up here. I was expecting to move down because of resistance. That's exactly what happened, and I got everybody out at the top here. So good job for those of you guys who are following me on the Telegram channel over here. But for this moment, I'm going to hold. In my personal opinion, this isn't enough profit. Guys, I want to be making like at least 7, 8, 10, 12%. Like you guys all just made 12% profit on ADA if you're exiting that trade I just called today. For Dogecoin, you guys just made 5.89% and you're moving your stop loss to break even. So like we want to try to go for, my goals, this has always been the goal, 10 to 20% profit on this channel per trade for the first buy limit hit, okay? Let's go over the metrics right now and let's give ourselves an idea of what's going to happen. By the way, When you guys click get our trading view indicators, this is the page you're going to see. Like literally, these are 60% off right now. The price versus well money flow is going up in 14 days. At the end of this month, whatever 31 minus 14 is, it's going up November 1st. Trend exhaustion is definitely on discount. Make sure you guys get that. The bundle pack is the cheapest route to get all of our indicators at a ridiculously discounted price. So make sure you guys do get in there and snag that. This will not go up in value. This will actually just stay the same. This will go up in value constantly because these indicators are going to be, the prices of these are going to be raised. So bundle pack's the best deal. Okay, let's get over here. Let's watch ADA. Let's go to the metrics for ADA right here. The emotional index, all these metrics here are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is what we're seeing. Anxious phase taking over for retail traders. Well, what does that mean, guys? It means you should not be selling. You should be buying. That's exactly what we're doing down here. You guys will finally understand. If you guys are in the market right now and you're like, Travis, I can't seem to win trades. It feels like the market always does the opposite of what I'm doing. Okay, well, look at this guy right here. I've done 5 trades in a row, all in the profit. For the first time, I'm doing successful trades in a row. If you are someone who are like, okay, I can't understand why I'm not winning trades in the market, and you guys just need, like, no pun intended, actually pun intended, confidence, trading confidence in the market, come over here and trade this strategy. Seriously, like the profits are ridiculous of what people are making in here. Then I've got this guy over here, which is really cool, which he was like, I won't spend too much time on this, I promise. I just want to show this to you guys. I think it was like 8 trades in a row. Yeah, this guy won 8 for 8 trades in a row last week. Like the confidence of him is just like so, he's like, oh my gosh, like here we go. People who see the win rate this high are okay putting more money into the market because they know the win rate is there and they're going to be protected. My best interest is in your guys' favor. Why is that? Because I'm trading with my hard-earned money myself. Like if you, I don't mean this to bash anyone, so please give me grace on this. But if you guys are following YouTubers in here who are like, enter this trade, enter that trade, and they don't have, I'm not looking for a lot of $10,000 in the market. At least some skin in the game where they're trading it themselves. It's just maybe just be a little leery of that. I am in here and I don't want to lose money, and I'm calling exit so you guys can make money. So my hard-earned money is in here as well. So I have a tie and an investment to you guys because I want to make money myself. Okay. All right. Move down here. Take a look at this. Cardano, long versus short trades on the blockchain. What's happening here? Price structure moving down, long trades increasing. What does this simply mean, guys? It means demand is taking over into the market. Structure is going down, price structure, and demand is taking over. Why? Because the prices are so low. This is what I believe is going to be pumping ADA back up. Now, I want to be honest, guys. There is a possibility that the trend exhaustion can get up here. See a little bit of a move back down, and this can still fly up here. That is possible. You need to know that the indicators are going to be about 75 to, I would say, 80% accurate. I will never come on here and be like, guys, we have a 100% win rate strategy and our indicators are 100%. No. Our win rate is 100%, but our indicators and our metrics are about 75 to 80%. How in the world are we winning every single trade then? It's because we have ridiculously good risk management. I don't know if it's too much for you guys. Like I literally was praying to God and I was like, God, I want to teach people how to trade. I want to learn how to trade well. And I felt like he told me, and I was just like brainstorming this for honestly years, guys. And I was like journaling. I was just like having like one-on-one time. And I was just like praying about this. I'm like, I felt like I heard, if you can master risk management, you can win every trade. Like that's what I heard in my soul, if you will. Like, so I spent literally like the last 3 years perfecting a risk management strategy where I believed like if we were to implement it, we wouldn't lose a trade. And it has actually happened where we are not losing any trades on this channel. And it's extremely hard to lose trades because of our good risk management. So anyways, that's a little bit of backstory. Obviously, I have technical analysis experience. I've helped hedge funds and I've ran businesses before of coding and trading. So it's not just like on this whim, but all that put together, it's just been a super fun journey to be with you guys. Okay, Cardano, sitting in the neutral section right here. Now, should you guys be taking trades right now of market orders? My personal opinion is absolutely not. What you need to do to get into our next trade here, get your subscription, $49 a month, ridiculously cheap. Come over here, live trades, come down into Cardano, and then just click this right here. In the Cardano trade, I'm going to keep it private for our members. You guys are going to see a chart that looks exactly like this. Price structure is going to be in white, and you are going to see right now this morning 4 yellow lines below the current price. $4,000, split it into 25% increments, a fourth at each buy limit, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. Once your first buy limit is hit, you guys are going to come up here and you're going to set your sell limit. Once you do that, follow me in the Telegram channel. I'll keep you guys updated, and make sure you guys have the indicators so you can watch the tops and the bottoms so you're able to exit if I personally don't call an exit, or you guys are in trades like this morning with Solana and Dogecoin that I'm not covering the Telegram channel, you guys are able to exit in the profit, okay? That's how you want to set this up. Let's move down here on the metrics here. We clearly see that isn't this fun, guys? Like, you guys are literally trading with Wells, institutions, and smart money. You guys are seeing down here that while price is really low and all the retail traders are over here and they're getting anxious, and they are clearly, let's give you proof, they are clearly selling in the market because simply price structure is moving down. People are selling. They're getting scared. What are we doing? We're trading with Wells and institutions, and we are getting into the market, and we are buying with them. They know what's coming. The pump. You guys are already making money in this. Like, I'm expecting this to go higher. So, like, the indicators, the metrics, and the risk management, the trifecta is what's causing us to not lose trades here on this channel. Will we lose one in the future? Absolutely, guys. Like, please don't let me be arrogant enough to be like, we're never going to lose a trade. Please mark me down for some in the future. Let me just say this confidently. We're going to have a hard time losing trades on this channel because of all of the metrics, the indicators, and the risk management that we use, okay? ADA support and resistance. Where are we going to go if this thing just blasts up? It's going to be 237 without a doubt. 237 puts us right at this structure high. Let me get this out of the way real quick so we can just clearly see this. Structure high is right here. I am looking to exit the rest of my position, or at least another 25 to 50% when we head up into this area of about 230 or up to 237. Those are the two areas I'm looking to exit another 25%, at least take 50% out of the market, probably put a stop loss at break even, and just ride this thing all the way as high as it wants to go. Guys, ever since we started doing stop loss moves, you guys took a 32% profit on Bitcoin. You guys got in down here, and we literally trailed the stop loss all the way up until you guys got 32% profit on Bitcoin. I promise, guys, you will not be missing out on runners on this channel. Now, I know real quick, I know Ethereum's taking off and we're not in here, but I have updated the buy limit this morning because I'm personally waiting for this. So make sure you guys update the buy limit so you guys can get tagged into this, because I do expect to see Ethereum have a little bit of move down here. Just want to cover that real quick because I'm not going to cover it in today's video. Okay, let's get back over to what we were talking about here for ADA. Moving down here, dollar cost average entries. If you guys threw money into the market down here and you're holding for 5 to 10 years, great job. I'm expecting to see another one come out if we do start dropping. But overall, we're going to take a lot of profit before the market drops, clearly like we're doing today. Okay, so exit points, we're looking at this in the market. We saw this red point come out here. We ended up seeing a drop. That was actually correlated back to these structures over here. We ended up seeing that drop in the market. Great. You know, this is something I just watch just to keep an eye on to profitably call exits. So guys, if you want to get in here and you want to trade, it's simply just $49 a month, get your membership. It will unlock the entire website. All of the metrics up here will just immediately unlock for you. All of the buy limits for all of our trades will immediately unlock for you. All of these, Dogecoin, Ripple, Solana, VeChain, Polkadot. Come down here over to the next page. There's two more, Polkadot and Lincoln here. So what you need to do is set up your buy limits right now for Cardano. Get in here, set up those 4. Follow me on Telegram with the link down here. Get into Telegram first. Click the FAQ if you guys have any questions. Literally, all of your questions can be answered here. If they don't, that's totally okay. Email me, betradeconfident@gmail.com. It's in the description. Email me if you have questions, and then that's how you guys are able to trade with us. And I'm gonna try to go, guys, 65 for 65 wins this month, okay? My goal was 60 for 60 by the end of October, and we hit it halfway through already. So let's go for 65 for 65 wins. And I do post Bitcoin videos and Dogecoin and all the coin updates for YouTube in the channel as well, because sometimes YouTube, even if you guys are subscribed, they're not pushing out the notifications till later, so you guys can get the immediate analysis, because I am calling exits and doing stuff like that with the indicators and such. All right, guys, God bless you so much. We're doing fantastic on here. Get the trend exhaustion, get the price versus the well money flow, get your subscription, get in the Telegram group. That's all you need. Let's make some money, guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.